Hello and welcome to how to unravel the mystery of the dental machine. First of all, you have to make sure that the computer is switched on. Here on the main screen, you will find these two icons and you can double click on either of those. Make sure that the light is switched on the little developer as well by pressing this button. Remember, it can take a century to switch on. To create a new file, press this button here and then make sure that you fill it in properly with the correct species. It's really important. And then of course, once you've filled it in, don't forget to press the save button. This will be the next screen you'll see, and the X-ray machine should have started making some noises, and you will be prompted to fill in the species and the correct exposure that you've used. This is important for later on for saving your images. And now you can see that the machine will be flashing. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's a little bit difficult. You should obviously use two hands. The manual says you should keep it inside a cover, but I find it really difficult inside the cover, and as long as you put it in, it's supposed to manually feed in and grab it once it's gone in. But as you see, I'm trying to do it with one hand. You're better to pinch it on both sides at the top and then firmly apply it down until it starts to bring it in itself. You can see it's just starting to draw it into the machine. The red light is on the bottom, but it's because I put it at a bit of a funny angle. If you try and press it just from the top, the plate bends and it causes a crease in the plates, and of course then you would get a mark on your X-ray when you've developed it. So you'll be able to see the images starting to come through. You can see it coming through in the little drop down box in the right hand side, and you can also see the image starting to appear above you on the side. So the plate will then start to move through the bottom, and you'll be able to see it poking out at the bottom of the machine. If you see just down here, you can see it popping out, and then here your image is on the plate. This next bit is absolutely essential, because if you don't press this, the next person who comes to use the machine cannot get the machine just will not work. You must save your work before you exit and before you stop looking at your images. So to do this, then you need to look at the image you can see here, and you need to press these buttons to save the image.